USCIS has issued the final rule for the H1b lottery for the fiscal year 2025, and you want to know what they are. These rules are specifically beneficiary centric, and yes, they have made sure that they tackle the problem of multiple registrations. So stay tuned till the end and know what's going to happen. Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Pragya Mishra, your visa and immigration guide. If you're interested in any topics related to visa, immigration, traveling abroad, working abroad, studying abroad, then make sure you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button, and I will keep you updated with all the latest updates. The H1b season is about to come up, and everyone is well aware about the multiple registration issues that USCIS and of course people in general had faced during the last term. So yes, this time USCIS has made sure that they have rules and laws and regulations to curb this problem, and they are coming out strong with this. With their final rule, they have set out a set of rules that are to be followed for the H1b season of fiscal year 2025. Let us discuss them one by one. So the first point of discussion is the timeline. When is the lottery going to begin? The lottery is going to begin on 6th of March noon EST, that is the Eastern time, and it's going to end on 22nd of March noon EST. So yes, it's noon but in the Eastern time. Make sure you keep this in mind. So 6th March is the starting time and 22nd March is the end of the deadline. And when are you going to start registration? So every person who is going to be a part of this lottery is supposed to have a registered account with the USCIS. Registration for new people are going to start from 26th of February. So make sure if you are someone new to the process of H1B, and if someone is going to file a petition on behalf of you, then you get yourself registered on or after 26th of February of this year. The second point, when will be the results for the lottery be out? So as you know, the deadline is 22nd of March noon EST. So anytime after 22nd of March, in between the 1st of April, the results will be out. USCIS will release the results for the lottery. And starting from 1st of April, you will be having 90 days to file the petition. So if you are selected, you will be having 90 days to file the petition. So now the big question arises, what has USCIS done in order to curb the problem of multiple registrations? And the answer to that is, now the entire process is a beneficiary centric. It means now whichever employer files for lottery for you, they will have to submit your passport number or your travel document number. So this number obviously remains same for every individual. So no matter how many employers file for you, even if let's say 10, 20, 30 employers file for you, they will all be having one passport number or one travel document number linked to a person. So no matter how many entries you have, you will only be considered once. So this game is going to become fair now. Yes, every person is going to have equal chance in this game. So no matter how many employers are fighting for you, you are just going to be considered only once in the lottery. This is giving equal chance and equal opportunity to every single individual participating in the lottery process. I wonder why they hadn't thought about this earlier. Anyways, all's good when it ends well. So now your passport number or the travel document number is going to be linked to your account, and that is what is going to be used to match multiple entries, and no matter how many entries you have, you are just going to be considered once. So now you must be wondering what happens if you're selected in the lottery, because you're going to be considered once. Previously, when you were selected in the lottery, whichever employer's registration was being selected, that employer was being notified. But now this thing has changed. Because you'll be considered only once, if you are selected in the lottery, all your employers are going to be notified about the same. And it's upon you about how you are going to proceed with and along with which employer. USCIS also reserves the right to revoke or deny any petition, because if they find any discrepancy between information provided and the petition filed or registration, then yes, they are going to reject it straightforward. Now let's talk about the start date for H1B. We all know that the 1st of October is the start date, official start date for H1Bs. But according to the new rule, now the employer can state a later start date also as per their needs or policies or whatever it is. So not necessary that your H1B gets activated on 1st of October, but if your employer has provided a later date, let's say 1st of December or January or any other date, then yes, your H1B starts only from that date. So this is a big advantage that USCIS has provided to the employers. These were the major highlights of the final rule for H1B for the fiscal year of 2025. I'm wishing you all the best. Do not forget to stay tuned to my channel, and I will keep you updated with all the latest updates regarding every single news that's coming around. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.